That's the biggest fish of the day right there. There it is. All right, everybody, I'm here with Zeke, my buddy. We're gonna check out a new area today for some crappie and see if we can find some big schools. So that's what we're up to today. Got my chesty on. I forgot my SD card in that camera, so that camera's not gonna be working today. We're got about 3 or 4 hours. We're gonna see if we can't put some crappie in the boat for you. I'm gonna put the old Gorilla Grip gloves on. Start a searching. Not a bad day. We've had a cold front, and today is about 50 degrees. It's been 30s the last couple days. Got him. Oh yeah. Well, here's the first flip up on this tree here. Nice fish. There's a lot of fish down there. You guys and gals can see.
Cats don't want this.
Come on. Come on.
We'll eat it then.
You know what? If you don't want it, I'm going down. I saw him come up and get yours. Decent fish, isn't it, Zeke?
Yeah, about 9.5, Brian.
9.5? Yep. Yep. Looked a little bigger when I first saw him. Not a bad fish. His eaters. Mark Twain Lake eaters. I saw him on the live scope. I couldn't tell if that was my jig or yours. This wind's turning us around here. It's all right. There's, ooh, he bumped it.
Well, I seen that. I didn't know if that was me or
Yep,
you.
he bumped it. Yeah, that's me falling right there amongst those right there. Here, come on. Got him. A fat 9. Today's equipment we're using, what I'm using anyways, is Wabash Black and Blue with the 1/8 ounce Thumper Strike 3 Fishing Signature Series fill head and a 15-pound Snipping Braid Edgar 10-foot rod and an Ardent Finesse 1000 reel. So that's what we're using right now. What's Zeke? What are you using, buddy?
I've got a Jackham's hair jig and a 1/32 ounce Cajun cricket.
There you go. So they're biting a little bit of everything right now, and they're thumping it. we're off of them. Let's let this get set up here. Look at those ones at 16. It's going to be stupid for me to cast them. There they come. Here he comes. Oh, come on. Black. Sitting right on the edge of that. Come on. There you go. Another nice little Mark Twain Lake flayer, eater, whatever you want to call it. It's about a 9-inch fish. Beautiful fish, though. Found another group here.
Get the net, Jason.
Get the net, another. Well, that's 9.5 incher. He screamed up there after it, huh?
He said, I ain't seen nothing to eat in a couple of days.
Couple days. There's a bunch of fish on this tree here. They're all on that V limb there. So what we're doing right now, we're going all the way back towards the back here, and then we're gonna work our way back up.
Right there.
And we're just finding schools after school of fish, just like right there.
Oh, them trees right there.
They're all on this channel here. They're all in about 30 foot of water. Just schooled up like crazy back in here. So there's a school right there. Scanning with a nice all aboard marine all scan hybrid. And finding what we find, 6 or 7 schools so far. So, and we just caught all them ones that were just eater fish, 9 inchers, 9.5. And we're just gonna go back here and see if we can find some more schools and fish them, and see if we can find some bigger fish. Could be some bigger fish in this school here. Here he comes. You got him. He's big. We're trying to get set up and we're catching him. Eater. Hey, it's another eater. That's what we're gonna catch. That's fun though. Still fun to catch. Come on. Got that one. Be a picture fish. He feels a little better. But he's not. Solid 9-inch fish. Now he's coming down, coming up with it. Come on. That second one got it. Two of them were following it. And that second one slid in there and popped it. Right there. Got him. I saw that one come up. No Twain 8-incher.
Might squeak 9 on Jason.
Yep. Put him on the board. He might be 9. Squeaker. First drop on a new bait. Do we get bit? Here comes one. Come on. Got him.
Jason, got him.
Feels like a better one. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Get the net.
Get the net on this one. That's one of Van's new plastics. Not a netter, but he's a fat one. Uh-oh. Can't really show you what it is yet. That's the biggest fish of the day right there. There it is. Thumper dwarf pillhead, 1/8 ounce. There you go. Beautiful fish right here at Mark Twain Lake. Probably 10.5, 10 3/4 inch fish.
Disaster is getting ready to strike right now.
Look at all those. Oh.
I just hit a stump and I think our day is over.
Well, Zeke and I's day is going to be cut short because I've got a little malfunction on my boat, and my prop on my trolling motor broke right there. So hit a stump and it's broken. I don't have a spare in the boat. I should have a spare in the boat, but I don't. It's sitting in the shop, so I'll have to go back there and get it replaced, because all it does is want to vibrate like crazy, and I'm not going to deal with it. So I want to thank Zeke right there for joining us today.
Yes, sir.
Had some fun, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
So caught a lot of the Mark Twain Lake eaters, 9.5 inches. I think we got 3 or 4 decent ones. We're going to get some pictures and then throw them back. But anyway, thanks for tuning in to Strike 3 Fishing. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and we'll see everybody on the next video.